Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do this, I've seen this a little while ago, and basically it's like a toasted pastry, brown bread, with egg and cheese, like little pie things, but I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to put some chives, black pepper and salt. So we'll get cracking. I'm doing this live as well, so just like bear with me, and obviously this will be an edited version, and so we'll see you soon. Cheers guys. So all I'm going to do is cut the crusts off. I hope this works, because when I see it, it looks a bit tasty, so hopefully it'll work out well. Just put these on a little plate. We get a little pie tray. I'm going to stick this oven on as well. I'll see if I can make like 6 of these anyway. So basically you just get a bit of butter. One, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. Like that. And all I'm going to do is put these in here like this and get our butter again. Hope these are going to come out well, because what I see, they look really good. I've got the oven on, so we'll just get these in the oven, toast them up a little bit. Got to keep an eye on them. So there was Yasmin, awesome live stream earlier. That was my favourite shop, the range. So if you missed it, go back and watch it, because yeah, it's really cool. I really liked it. Get these over here, which are really hot. We've got our eggs cracked in the cases, and I'm going to get a little bit of chives, black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then some cheese over the top. I'm going to need some more cheese actually. Okay, so hopefully that's going to be enough. A little bit more chives on the top. that's cooled down enough. So. And we'll get those back in and wait for them to cook. Oh my god, so hot. If I put the fan on, it's going to be a bit noisy. So yeah, but basically that's all it is. These will sink a little bit, but obviously it's obviously with the brown bread coated in olive butter, toasted, crack an egg in it, some chives, black pepper, salt, and then cheese on top, and then basically cook it back in the oven. So I'm just a bit dubious about the egg, but if it's still in the cases and I leave it alone for a little while, then the eggs are going to cook in there anyway, so that's all going to be good. So so far, yeah, I'm really pleased with them, but I want to see one that's out of the case, and we'll cut it open and see what's going on with it. So I'll just give it a little while to cool down a little bit and carry on cooking. Yeah, it's just like a little snack food, really. We used to do a little one, same sort of tray, but like little omelettes in shallower trays, and make up some omelettes with ham, peppers, and all that good stuff in the little pie dishes. And yeah, what we do, we normally make a batch of them, and they can stay in the fridge for about 4 or 5 days. And I prefer them when they're cold anyway, because you can taste it a lot better.